Hello everyone, this is Christina. I am back making a video. It's been a month since I'm back from England and it's been boring. I've gained 3 pounds and I am determined to lose it by going on a 4-day walking or hiking adventure. I'm not driving so far. I picked like 3 or 4 places that is within 2 hours of walking, 2 hours of driving distance from my house. I packed all my camping gear. That's my home. I packed all my camping gears in the back of my car, but I doubt that I will have an opportunity to camp because it's so close to my house. I'll just drive home at the end of the day. My goal is to lose 2 pounds and just to get out of the city. I'd like to go to the country and walk around in the Texas countryside. I noticed that most of my subscribers are in the UK. So if you watch my English countryside walk, you might want to compare Texas countryside versus English countryside. It might be boring, it's just flat, there's no mountains, nothing. But right now I'm about to drive. I pack all my camping gears here and food. I'm about to drive an hour away to the town of Merritt. And I'm going to walk 7.7 miles to the town of Celeste. The trail is called Northeast Texas Trail. Northeast Texas Trail is very long, like over 100 miles. I forget how long exactly, but this is section 2. So I'm gonna walk 7.7 miles and then back 7.7 miles, a total of over 15 miles. Okay guys, it is now noon and I am parked at Bland High School in Merritt, Texas. The trail is just right behind this building right here. I'm carrying one trekking pole, even though I probably don't need it because it's all flat and straight. But I'm afraid there's some farmers with the dogs that's gonna attack me. So that's my weapon. Look at this. Look at this sign. Attention. Several staff members with Bland ISD are authorized to carry a firearm and will take all reasonable actions to protect our students. Yep, a lot of shootings lately, every day, unlike in the UK. So a lot of school shootings, so the teachers carry firearms here. All right, let's start walking and look for this trail. So this Northeast Texas Trail is about 133 miles long from Farmersville, Texas to Texarkana in East Texas. I would like to hike the whole thing, but it's just flat and straight like this. There's no turn whatsoever. So I think I'll be bored. Now 4:50 p.m. So it took me 4 hours and 50 minutes and I burned 1,670 calories. Let's go home. Hello everyone, it is 11:30 a.m. on Friday, November 18, and I am back at Cross Timber Trail. This is a trailhead. Cross Timber Trail is by Lake Texoma. It's called Texoma because it's the border of Texas and Oklahoma. So I'm in Texas. Across the water is Oklahoma. All right, I've hiked this trail a few times before with Bobo, but we didn't pass like mile 5, just day hikes. But this time I'm gonna backpack it, the whole trail. It's not too long. It's 14 miles from point to point. Here's the map of the trail. I am here at Juniper Point. Let me put that. I am here. So I'm gonna walk through past Cedar Bayou Marina. There's a few campsites here. I think I stopped here before and come back. But I'm gonna go all the way. This is 5 mile mark. 5 mile camp. Eagles Roost Camp, and I heard over here is pretty overgrown and it ends at Paw Paw Creek. The whole trail is 14 miles. We'll see if I can make it to Rock Creek Marina or maybe close to the end. Okay, let's go. It is cold and windy. It's about like 40 degrees, maybe high 30s, I'm not sure. And tonight it'll be about mid 30s, which is okay. I got my heavy sleeping bag. Oh, so pretty. Trail markers is this white dot. Looks like I'm the only one here, guys. I ran into a biker and a day hiker, and those are the two people with the two cars. So that's it. I'm alone. Solitude, yay. 1.3 little campsite here. I love it out here. Reminds me of Coast to Coast. Oh no! Oh no! How am I gonna get through that? I have to climb. Shit. Oh man. Let's see. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna fall. Put my trekking pole. Let me turn this off. Wow, that was dangerous. I climb over here and then I jump and land on that, and then I'm on the other side now. Shortly after that, there's another blowdown. But it's not that bad. I can go through here. Go around this way. Okay. Wow, a lot of trees falling. It's another campsite. Let's go look. Beautiful. Look at this. Fire pit, a bench, and your own beach. Big step. Easy trail, Bobo. I love this section. I'm not sure what mile marker. I haven't seen any. Maybe 3.5, maybe 4. I'm not sure. It's 1:15, you guys, and I'm at mile marker 4. Really nice trail. I love it. Oh man, a lot of uphills. I'm out of breath. Look how pretty this forest is. Oh, I love it. It's 1:42 p.m. and I've arrived at 5 Mile campsite. Ben, Bobo, and I have been here a year and a half ago after I broke my ankle in preparation to go back on the AT for me, and then we turn around. So from now on, it's new territory for me. This is nice. Maybe I can camp here on the way back. I don't know if I'm gonna make it because the sun sets around 5, so I'll have to make camp. I would like to make camp at 4:30, so I have time to eat and set up my tent before it gets dark. Oh, there's more campsite here. Oh, this is so nice. And water over there. It is 2:18. I think this is mile marker 6.5. Eagles Roost Camp is, oh my gosh, half a mile off the trail. I didn't know that. But I'm going towards Rock Creek Marina this way. Easy trail, Bobo. I believe it's mile 7.5. All of a sudden the trail is flat. The first 7 miles are like up and down non-stop. Hopefully this lasts till Rock Creek Marina. I don't know what mile Rock Creek Marina is. I believe it's mile 10. That means it's about 2.5 more miles. I might be mistaken, I'm not sure. I'll let you know later. Look how nice this is. Flat, slightly downhill. Easy trail, boo boo. I haven't seen any campsites since Eagle Roost campsite at mile 6.5. I didn't see anything. There's a house on the road there, so I'm in civilization again, and that's the marina. Uphill. Oh, I'm tired. I haven't stopped since the beginning. Look at these houses, mansions. It's about 3:30. I have reached Rock Creek Marina. I went into the resort store here in there and talked to a lady that's very familiar with the trail, and she said I wouldn't continue. She wouldn't continue. That I shouldn't continue because the trail, there's no marker and there's a lot of bad people living around there. That area, I don't know what she meant by that. And she said this is actually mile 12 and the trail marker's wrong. That's what she said. It felt like I have walked 12 miles. Anyway, so there's no camping around here, so I'm gonna walk back. Don't know how far I can make it back. So I did it. I can't believe she said this is mile 12 and there's only 2 more miles. And I asked her, like, it looked nice. Yeah, only this part. After that it's shitty. Sorry. Yeah, it turned to shit. So I'll take her words for it. Okay, time to walk back. I did it. It's 4:30. It's getting darker. I hate this daylight saving. I'm walking back, going through the flat area. Maybe mile 7.5. I don't know. I don't know the mileage marker really. I don't think it's accurate because on All Trail, when I reach Rock Creek Marina, it says that I've walked 10 miles, but the mile marker says 9. But the lady at the resort said that is mile 12. Whatever. But I'm full of energy. I just ate a Gatorade protein bar, walking fast now. Maybe I can make it to Eagle Roost Camp. I just went through the Fern Grotto. Now I'm back to the sign. Eagle's Roost Camp, half a mile. Okay, go there. Oh man. Turbo hiking. 5:05. I'm all set up. I'm gonna cook even though I'm not hungry. It's so peaceful and quiet here. And I'm blocked from the wind in this beautiful forest. Okay, tomorrow, as soon as the sun is up, I'm gonna start hiking to my car. I think I only have like 6.5 miles. Yay. Let's see. Ramen or pad thai with chicken. or Kathmandu curry? I don't know. Pad Thai. No, curry. No, Pad Thai. I'm so excited. To my UK subscribers, I know the majority of my subscribers are from the UK. Stealth camping or wild camping here in the US is legal almost anywhere, really. Especially on this trail, you can camp anywhere. It doesn't have to be on a designated campsite. I am coming back to England in May 2023, and I'm going to hike a trail that no one has ever vlogged before. I just ordered the guidebook in the mail, and I think it arrived at my house, so I'll show you tomorrow. Good night. All right, guys, it is dark. It's only 6:10. Can you see me? 6:10 p.m. So I set up my camp at 5 and ate my pad thai and drank some tea, and I felt so energetic. And I know I won't be able to sleep till like almost midnight, so I got bored. So I packed up and I'm gonna walk back to my car. I can't believe how dark it is at 6:10. All right, I'm glad I have a 1,000 lumen flashlight on loan from my friend Jay. Thanks, Jay. Okay, I'm gonna start hiking. Probably not gonna film much because not gonna film at all because there's nothing to see. I'll let you know when I get back to my car. Bye. It is pitch dark. Without the flashlight, it looked like this. Oh, you can't see me.